is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything that I got from Zivame. So a Zivame haul after a really long time. I feel like most of these products could be great as festive essentials. Like a lot of these things are great for the festive season, and Zivame does have a sale running, which is their light up sale, which starts from the 26th of October. And one of the main offers that is running on their page is buy two get one free. So this is the perfect time to make most of the sale. Other than that, of course, they have a COD cash on delivery option and a very easy return and exchange policy. Before we get started, I do have a coupon code which you can use, which is MridulZivame, to get a 10% off. Having said all of that, let's just get started with the haul. So I'm gonna start with bras, of course, because you have to get bras from Zivame. I've been wearing Zivame bras for years at this point, even before I started working with them. So one of my favorite bras that I wear from their range every single day is their t-shirt bra. So I picked up two t-shirt bras from them. The first one is this black one. Now this black bra is from Zivame's Basics collection. Now this is padded, but very lightly padded. It is non-wired and it has like a 3/4 coverage. In fact, even right now underneath my kurti, I'm wearing a t-shirt bra from Zivame. I also picked up the same bra in a nude color. Recently, I've been only investing in like nudes and black color ke bras because they're the basics and they go really well underneath any type of clothing. So these t-shirt bras are definitely a must have. Of course, they're great for the festive season, but I feel like all year round they're essentials. Next, let's move on to these multi-purpose bras. So if you're going to be wearing kurtis or even blouses जिसके straps बहुत ही पतले हैं और say like cami straps है, these are going to be really useful because you can actually detach the straps and make it like a strapless bra. So the first one that I picked up was in a black color, and this one too is padded. It has 3/4 coverage, and of course, as I mentioned, this does have removable straps. And then I picked up the same one in a nude color. I have tried so many strapless bras and I've noticed a lot of them just fall off, you know what I mean? But these don't do that because यहाँ पे नीचे on the base and even on the top, there's like a rubber lining almost, which really creates that grip and it doesn't slide off whatsoever. It's very comfortable if you get the right size. By the way, they do have a really good size chart which you can refer to. So if you get your perfect size, it will fit you perfectly and it will not fall down. So definitely check out these strapless bras. They're really good. So I broke my own rule and got a colorful bra. I of course have been really into the nudes and the blacks, but this color was too pretty, so I had to pick it up. Now this is a padded bra, padded / push-up bra. I don't really wear a padded / push-up bras on the daily. Very rarely do I wear them, but if you have certain blouses or tops that have like a low, like a deep cut, these are going to be really handy because it's just going to make your décolletage look really nice. In spite of these being push-up bras, I will say they are very comfortable, and as you can see, they come in a bunch of different colors. So if you're not like me, if you're not boring like me, and if you don't like to stick to blacks and whites, there's a huge variety for you to choose from. For that matter, even the t-shirt bras and the strapless bras, even they come in a bunch of different colors. Now this bra is regular wired, but it's not intense at all. It's very comfortable and the coverage is medium. I also picked up a backless bra. So I don't think I've ever owned a backless bra. So this is going to be perfect for blouses that have a very deep neck, or for example, they are backless. So this is going to be perfect for that. I've always had a problem like trying to find the perfect bra for blouses because at least the blouses that I've owned have a very like deep U or like some sort of cut at the back. So it's difficult to find the right kind of inner wear because I don't like my bra to be like showing or the straps to be showing. So this comes with like a transparent band at the back. As you can see, I am wearing this bra underneath my blouse and you can't like see any part of the bra like peeking through. It's a non-wired bra, so it's very comfortable. And also what I found was really interesting is that it has detachable straps. So you can make it like a strapless top also. So if your blouse samjo has a very like weird cut at the back, and at the same time if it's like strapless or has really thin straps, You can get rid of the straps also, so it's a perfect like all-in-one bra. This bra is definitely very, very unique. So if you're gonna be wearing a lot of blouses or backless stuff this festive season, definitely get your hands on this one. Let's move on to loungewear. I love loungewear, and that's literally all I wear every day, all day, every day. So Zivame very recently launched this loungewear collection. So I picked up these straight fit pants, which are so comfortable. Honestly, this is one of the most comfortable things I've tried in a while, hands down. And may I add, these also have like pockets in them, which is so essential. By the way, I got 2 of these. When I saw them on the website, I just had a feeling that these were gonna be so comfortable, and I was so right. I'm so glad I got 2 of these because I know I'm gonna live in these. Next, I picked up these slouchy joggers. I got the same color and it's the same fabric, very soft and very well fitted actually. This I would totally wear to like run my errands. At the same time, you could also wear this ghar pe hi while you're working or just chilling, honestly. Very comfortable, comes with pockets of course. A lot of times when I wear joggers, जो नीचे का part होता है ना, जो ankles पे hug करता है, that seems to be very tight and uncomfortable. That isn't the case with these joggers. This just like sits on your ankles without like compressing them. Very comfortable. I know I've said the word comfortable too many times, but I don't know how else to describe these. So here I have a very like fluffy, furry pajama pants which have like a very jogger like sort of feel to them, and I also got a matching sweatshirt which is again the same furry fluffy material. Now you could buy these individually. I got both of them because I thought I could wear it as a set. So if you live in say Delhi or colder parts of India or anywhere in the world honestly, where it gets colder, actually gets colder during the winters, you could actually even wear this like as a pajama set, or you could wear this throughout the day. I would totally wear it because it will provide you the right kind of heat and warmth. But they're so cute. When I wear them, I literally feel like I'm a teddy bear. Like it's so incredibly comfortable. By the way, जो material बाहर है ना, the fluffy furry material, वो अंदर भी है. So it's gonna be so nice and soothing on your skin. I also got the same pajama pant in a sky blue color. This color is so beautiful. I wish I got the matching sweatshirt also with this one, but koi baat nahi, I can wear this totally with like a plain white t-shirt and it would be still very cute. Again, it's the same material, very stretchy. By the way, this has a nada, so you can like adjust how tight or loose you want it to be. This is such a cute loungewear option. Next, I got this PJ set. So it's in a peach color and it has a bunch of cacti on it, like the cacti print. Now I know you would categorize this as sleepwear, nightwear, but personally I wear pajamas as loungewear. Like I'll wake up, I'll take a shower and I'll wear pajamas again because they're cute and they're so comfortable, and if you're gonna work from home, why not wear cute PJs? So I got this PJ set. This comes with a pair of shorts and a top. The fabric is cotton, so it's very breathable, and if you live in Mumbai, you're gonna be wearing shorts even in December, of course. And also the sleeves itne hi hai, they're not full sleeves, you know, so it's not gonna be hot. Next, I got this PJ set. Now I deliberately got this one. The pehle wala that I showed you is very like fun and quirky, but this is a little bit more girly and it's just so pretty. This does have like a silk vibe to it, and it also has a lace detailing both on the shorts and the top as well. I think this PJ set is so cute. It's in this dusty pink sort of a color. It's a very feminine and beautiful color. I saved the best for the last, so I got a pair of leggings with a matching bra, sports bra. You could of course buy both of these individually. So they're in this beautiful teal turquoise sort of a color. I hate leggings which look nice but they're so tight. These look nice also, but they're comfortable at the same time. You could of course wear these while you're working out at home, or you could lounge in these. The cool thing about this sports bra is that you can clasp it on like a regular bra. You don't have to wear it upar se, you know, like how you have to wear most sports bras. This sports bra looks very cool and so trendy. Like I love the set. Wearing leggings and like a sports bra is a great loungewear option. If you're not comfortable wearing just a sports bra, you can always pop on like a t-shirt, iske saath plain white t-shirt बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. You can run your errands in this. You can go down for a grocery haul. I meant grocery run. And I think that's it for my Zivame haul. If you like any of these products, I'm gonna make sure to link them in the description box below. I think right now is a great time to shop because they do have their light up sale which starts from the 26th of October. As mentioned earlier, they also have a buy two get one free offer, so you're going to be saving a lot of money. If you're not comfortable with card payment, they have a COD option. And for example, अगर आपको कुछ fit नहीं हुआ या wrong size आ गया है, there's a very easy return and exchange policy. On top of that, if you want to save more money, you can use my code Mridul Zivame to get a 10% off. I'm not going to make anything out of it. It's not an affiliate code. It's just a code for you guys. I think that's it for today's video. Don't forget to go subscribe and click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram and follow Simba Lifestyle. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!